How's it going, guys? I've just got an unboxing here of the PlayStation 4 Magma red controller, and this was £40 from Game, but I actually traded in a game and basically got some money, you know, reduced off it. Like I think I had to put £18 towards the controller, and you know, I just thought to myself, the thing with the controllers is they retain value anyway, so even if you don't like it, you can always trade it in or sell it. There's always one that wants a controller anyway. So I just like the colour of it. When I went into the store, I wasn't actually intending on getting a controller, to be honest with you, but I thought, £40, you know, saving £10 on the normal price. And when you actually see it in person, it's actually a really nice colour, and it stands out and it looks great. The controller I use at the moment is a gold one. Actually, I'll just quickly pause the video. This is what the gold one looks like. I got the gold slim last August, so I've nearly had it, like, say, let's just say I've had it for 10 months, and it was £250 with 2 gold controllers. I just thought that'd be a good little investment, because I wanted to get a new PlayStation anyway, because I was having issues with the old one because of the Wi-Fi connection on that old PlayStation, and I had any problems with the slim. So yeah, that's the controller I use at the moment. So yeah, let's get into the box and see what it looks like, you know, obviously outside of the box, but there's all the details at the back. I do like the PlayStation controllers, actually. I mean, I do like, you know, the touchpad in the middle and the share button. I think they've done a great job with it. Alright, let's get inside the box itself. Right, it's outside the box now, so I'm going to get it out of the plastic, so we've got a better view of it. I think one of the only, you know, bad things is basically they don't come with a USB cable. And for me, you know, I know USB cables are pretty cheap and whatever, but it's always a nice little feature when you do get a cable, because sometimes you just haven't got a spare one, or one of them's broke, and you just never know. So hopefully they do that in the future, maybe. But yeah, it looks great. Maybe my camera is not doing it justice. But I also liked the first version of the sort of coloured controllers for the PlayStation 4, when it were black at the bottom, but it really made the red or the blue stand out on the controller, in my opinion. One thing I do like better about the PlayStation controller compared to the Xbox One is basically that you don't have to put AA batteries in there. You know, you can charge it directly. I think the PlayStation 4 controller doesn't hold the charge that well. That's just my opinion anyway. It's not like, you know, every day I'm spending 6 hours gaming, but I've just found at times it does run out of battery pretty quick. But like I say, I'm happy with this buy. Feels good, and I'll be happy to use it. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and take care.